What's up, GridPain family? It is Friday, July 3rd. For those of you that are not working right now, like I am, enjoy your time off, enjoy your weekend. If you are working, hustle, get that stuff done so that you can hopefully go and enjoy what we have here anyway, which is a beautiful day. I put a quick poll in the group to see if people wanted us to go ahead and push a bunch of updates, which we then would not be able to support because we're going to be off for the 4th of July holiday. Everybody pretty much responded with a resounding, definitely don't do that, enjoy the weekend. So we're not going to be pushing an update, but I figured I would run through what is in the update so that you guys will know what's coming on Monday. So really quick, one big thing that we're doing is new automatically generated system users with every new site. Okay, we're doing this for security reasons, but we're also doing it in order to be able to monitor performance and system utilization by individual sites. If every single site has its own system user, then you're going to know a lot better which site is chewing up your entire box. Okay, for developers, you're going to see the option to build MariaDB 10.5. We've got some yard work happening here, so I'm gonna get up out of here. Yeah, so MariaDB 10.5 will be an option for you during server provisioning. Let's see, we've added in OAuth, and currently that's available via GitLab and GitHub. We're not starting with Twitter and Facebook and all these other places because, what do you know, places like Cambridge Analytica made it so that we can't have nice things. It's just a total pain in the ass to do that stuff, and I figure if you're in serious developer mode, then you're already in GitLab or GitHub anyway, and then you can jump right into GridPain. When you do site migrations, clones, failover, all that stuff, the system user that you have the site running on, that'll be cloned over as well. With that, whatever routing you have, www or root, that routing also gets copied over. We've got some reduced payloads for server creation, which is beneficial for API users, which is not all of you. It's not many of you, actually, but we'll talk more about that one later. Various bug fixes. We've got some team bug fixes where admins couldn't delete system or their own team members. That's fixed. Auto SSLs with alias domains. They were still showing on even if the primary domain failed. We fixed that. Domain routing, there was a bug where in certain instances, if you switched to www or root and then you made other changes, those things were switching back to non-set. Unverified users not being able to log in, that's fixed. Console errors during server deletions, fixed. New feature, all new servers are being built with Monet 10.5, Monet 5.2.6, and we're including a slew of new notifications and system utilization checks. So you get anywhere near 70% or more on RAM, disk, CPU, you're gonna start, like, basically the back end, the application itself and your Slack notifications are gonna light up like a Christmas tree. So we shouldn't have any more situations where maybe your backups fill up your drive or for whatever reason you haven't been tracking how much CPU utilization or RAM utilization. You're gonna know about those things a lot sooner now. PHP workers are now set dynamic based on core count. We're going on the low end 2 times core count to at most 4 times core count, and we're going to be releasing documentation and sort of some like default standards that you can choose based upon the specific use case that your site falls under, based on its traffic profiles, etc. We've done some new rewrites within the robots text for like virtual rewrites that SEO Press does and similar plugins. We've completely enhanced the certbot renewal checks, and we've built in some self-healing for the Acme SSL configs. So both some improvements there and some bug fixes. Migrations, clones, backups, restore, staging. If you've had any bugs with those functions and you had manually changed the WP config, if you've done like non-standard stuff where you were using double quotes in one line and single quotes in another line, if you changed any of our default configurations and you had things failing, we now have all kinds of traps and locks and checks so that those things shouldn't happen even if you've monkeyed around with the WP config and sort of saved things in a way that you maybe shouldn't have. And now we've also got a fix where failover sites that were not showing up correctly, they're now showing up correctly, and sites that are not failovers that were showing up as failovers, that's fixed as well. So slew of different bug fixes, lots of little things going in, but then also some significant improvements with the new monitoring, new notifications, new MariaDB. And we will demo those things Monday, Tuesday of next week, and you'll see them in the platform. So hope you all have a safe weekend. Again, we're on critical support only now through Monday. So try not to do anything to break your sites. Certainly, if anything happens, we're here. We're here 24/7, but we're trying to enjoy this weekend as well. So just please be mindful of that, and please be patient with us. And yeah, thanks for your time, everybody. Take care, stay safe. Happy holidays if you're celebrating. Happy weekend regardless. Cheers.